Need to access your IRA money but worried about the 10% early withdrawal penalty? If you're under 59 and a half, you're not alone in this concern. Today, we're exploring ways to withdraw from an IRA at Fidelity without penalties. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. The IRS does allow for several exceptions to the early withdrawal penalty, but you must qualify for them. The process: Fidelity's withdrawal tool. In your Fidelity IRA, go to Withdraw or Transfer. The system will guide you through the steps. It's your responsibility to ensure you qualify for a penalty exception. Key exceptions: first-time home purchase and education. You can withdraw up to $10,000 penalty-free for a first-time home purchase. You can also avoid penalties for qualified higher education expenses for yourself, your spouse, or your children. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: you will still owe ordinary income tax on the withdrawal. Remember, even if you avoid the 10% penalty, traditional IRA withdrawals are still taxed as ordinary income. For Roth IRAs, you can withdraw your contributions, but not earnings, at any time, tax and penalty-free. So, just like that, you understand the rules for accessing your retirement savings early. Knowing the exceptions goes a long way in making informed financial decisions in a pinch. Now I'm curious, have you ever had to use an IRA penalty exception? Which one? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.